All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this video. As you can see, or try to see, the sun's kind of killing it with the shadow. We are completely flat. And today we're gonna use the Top Air 4x4 accessories. No, all top 4x4 accessories, 150 PSI air compressor. All the reviews are great, so we're gonna find out just how great it is. We'll be back in a few and get this going. All right, so we're gonna get ready here and start to air this up. As you can see, maybe out there, we got the line coming back into the truck. We got over 20 feet. It's a good rubber hose instead of the coiled crap, so I'm pretty happy about that. In just a moment, we'll go ahead and get this started. Yep, I guess it's time to do this. I'm gonna kick the compressor on and let's see how she does. I've already checked the gauge, and to believe it or not, my gauge is actually accurate. Most of them say that they're between 5 and 8 pounds off, but mine comes up accurate, so here we go. The gauge will pretty much always read right around 50 while you're filling. It has a button on the back so you can check the pressure on the tire. It bypasses the compressor so that it's just the tire pressure. That's actually airing up pretty quick. Not too shabby. I'm not going to complain so far. I'm going to go ahead and check my pressure and see what we're at. So we're sitting at 20 PSI right now. We know the last little bit takes a while, but we're gonna see how long it takes. You might notice that I'm using the hands-free attachment on it. If you can see that, let's go ahead and get a little closer. There's a hands-free attachment that goes on there that just clips on. The quality seems pretty good, so we'll see how long it lasts. We're sitting at 2 minutes since we started the vid, so we're doing pretty good here. Check our pressure. Looking good. My camera only goes so long before it airs, so we're going to stop the video here and we'll finish when the tire is aired up the rest of the way. Looks like we're pretty close, so we'll find out here in a minute. And 50 seconds, and we've got exactly 40 pounds of tire pressure. That's not too bad. Go ahead and shut her down. As you can see on the gauge, we're showing 40 pounds of pressure. Not sure if you guys can see that, but We'll go ahead and pull it off. Double check. 42 pounds. Can't complain about that. 3 minutes and 50 seconds from completely flat to 42 pounds on a 35-inch, 10.5 wide tire, 12.5 wide tire, 10.5 wide tire. So I'd say that's pretty acceptable. You guys tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.